Why automate your packing lists?
Packing for trips can be stressful and time-consuming, especially if you often forget essentials. Automation tools help you quickly create tailored packing lists, saving you time and reducing the risk of missing something important. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an international adventure, automated lists make it easier to stay organized and travel with peace of mind.
Popular tools for packing list automation.
Several online tools can generate custom packing lists based on your trip details. Apps like PackPoint, Checklist.com, and TripList allow you to input your destination, the length of your trip, planned activities, and even the weather forecast. These tools then create a packing list tailored specifically to your needs, ensuring nothing is overlooked.
How to set up your automated packing list.
Start by entering basic information about your trip into your chosen app. This often includes location, travel dates, and activities like hiking or swimming. Some tools ask if you'll have access to laundry or need formal wear. Based on your answers, the app automatically generates a comprehensive list, which you can further customize.
Sync and share for greater convenience.
Many packing list apps allow you to sync your lists across devices or share them with travel companions. This feature helps families, friends, or groups ensure everyone is on the same page. Shared lists minimize packing overlaps and make collaborative packing easy, so travel preparation is smoother for everyone involved.
Final tips and best practices.
Review your automated packing list before you finish packing to make sure it matches your preferences and needs. Add or remove items as necessary, and consider saving your customized list for future trips. By automating your packing lists, you can travel smarter, lighter, and with greater confidence, knowing you're well prepared.